Hello everyone, I'm Ashwini, Assistant Professor of Computer Science, A.D.M.COLLEGE Government, Autonomous, Nagapattinam. My topic is Artificial Intelligence. First is our content, Introduction, why Artificial Intelligence, Application of AI, Advantage and Disadvantages of AI, Machine Learning, Features of ML, Types of ML, Conclusion. First, see our introduction. An introduction to AI which will help you to understand the concept behind artificial intelligence. In this class, we have also discussed various topics such as why artificial intelligence, application of AI, advantage and disadvantages of AI, machine learning. Why artificial intelligence? One of the booming technology of computer science is artificial intelligence. Artificial and intelligence refer. Artificial defines man-made and intelligence defines thinking power. Artificial intelligence finally refers a man-made thinking power. Artificial intelligence refers human-like machines. AI exceeds when your machines can have human-based skills such as learning, reasoning, and solving problems. Currently working with a variety of subfields ranging from general to specific such as self-driving cars, playing chess, proving theorems, playing music, painting, and etc. Why artificial intelligence? With the help of AI, you can create such software devices which can solve real-world problems very easily and with accuracy, such as health issues, marketing, traffic issues, etc. With the help of AI, you can create your virtual assistants such as Partner, Google Assistant, Siri, etc. With the help of AI, you can build such robots which can work in an environment where survival of human can be at risk. AI opens a path for other new technologies, new devices, and new opportunities to me. Applications of artificial intelligence. First, see these images. The first one of application is the healthcare. The healthcare. Artificial intelligence is widely used in the field of healthcare and medicines. The various algorithms of artificial intelligence app are used to build precise machines that are able to detect minor diseases inside the human body also. Artificial intelligence uses the medical history and current situation of a particular human being to predict future diseases. Artificial intelligence is also used to find current vacant beds in hospitals of city that saves the time of patients who are in emergency conditions. Let us see a application in gaming sectors. Insights and analysis. With the help of AI and collection of large data sets that include clinical data, research studies, and public health data to identify trends and patterns. This inversely provides aid in surveillance and public health planning. Telehealth. This feature enables doctors and healthcare experts to take close monitoring while analyzing data to prevent any uncertain health issues. Patients who are at a high risk and require intensive care are likely to get benefit from this AI features. The second one, a patient monitoring. In case of any abnormal activity and alarming alerts during the care of patients, an AI system is being used for early intervention. Besides this, RPM, or remote patient monitoring, has been significantly growing and is expected to go up by USD 6 billion by 2025 to treat and monitor patients. The second concept, surgical assistance. To ensure a streamlined procedure guided by the AI algorithm, it helps surgeons to take effective decisions based on the provided insights to make sure that no further risks are involved in this while processing. The next concept, finance. According to some recent surveys, 80% of banks accept that AI can provide them benefits according to their decisions in finance. From providing corporate finances advice to predicting the future outcomes related to finance. Predicting the future outcome related to finance, AI is capable of them also used to send automated tests and mild predict risk instant automated and direct any unwanted transactional activities of the targeted customers. The spam and fraud filters and characterized actions responding to threats. AI tools that help in the field. Let's see AI application in finance. The first, fraud detection. AI algorithm can analyze large volumes of financial data to identify patterns and anomalies that can lead to any fraudulent activity. By continuously learning from historical data, AI is well capable of handling and working with such data sets that it enables the ability to prevent from any future threats. The next, risk assessments. AI algorithm help in enabling safeguard and risk assessment models by analyzing large data sets and identifying potential risk in real time. The third one, forecasting. AI-powered tools can assist in financial planning and forecasting that can create easy opportunities for business to make effective business decisions. This can be achieved by analyzing the historical data, market trends, and economic indicators. The third, application gaming. Artificial is really dominating the field of gaming industry. Artificial intelligence is to make human-like simulation in gaming. This enhances the gaming experience. Apart from that, AI also used it to design game, predict the human behavior to make a game more realistic. Various modern games are in the use real-world simulation for gaming using AI. Let's see a application in gaming sectors. Quality assurance. The testing games and ensuring the performance gets easier allows testers to perform rigorous testing in comparatively less time. It empowers and fixes all the game mechanics and any other preferential bugs that can hinder performance. The second one, game assistant. A algorithm offers virtual assistant during gaming sessions that include tips, tutorials, and other useful resources. These features help players to be in the game and understand these metrics during the whole time session. The next, animation. To make games more realistic, machine learning and artificial intelligence algorithms are being used to today's gaming industry. Techniques such as neural network empower simulations and facial expression for immersive experience. The next application is lifestyle. Artificial intelligence has great impact on our lifestyle. There is various day-to-day that we do easily or possible due to the use of artificial intelligence app. Some examples are spam filters in the mail fraud call detection, face unlock of mobile fingerprint sensors in our mobiles and laptops, etc. Are only possible due to artificial intelligence. Let's see AI applications in lifestyle. The first one, personalized recommendation. AI algorithm analyze user purchasing patterns and based on which offer personalized recommendation for different categories, which include books, clothing, and other products. The main objective of AI lifestyle is to offer tailored solution for its customer to experience the best experience that can be replaced by other substitutes. The second, shopping experience. People have shifted towards online shopping and the market size is likely to reach 71 trillion by 2028, between 2022 to 2028. And AI has very significant role in this by offering customizable recommendation and offers the target specific segment audience to drive more sales. The next, visual assistants. There are certain apps now that have started offering enrich the customer experience by adding virtual assistants to the ecosystem. The next, AI afford virtual assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa play a crucial part in this. But with the help of NLP and AI and machine learning algorithm, this assistant responds to customer queries and act autonomously. Language translation. To drive more sales and traffic, companies have now started implementing multiple languages support system to target audience irrespective of the country. The next application is the social media. There are various uses of artificial intelligence in this field of social media. Some of the social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram uses artificial intelligence to show relevant content for the user. It uses the search history and view history of your user to show relevant content. Let's see a application in social media platforms. The first, fraud detection. AI uses algorithm to spot and to remove any fake accounts that are associated with any social media platform. Fraudsters generally use the accounts to perform unethical activities. This includes phishing, threats, or any other suspicious behaviors. The second, insights. Most of the brands have become active on social media to advertise their products. This is not only create awareness, but also helps to gather customers' review and feedback to enrich better customer experience. The second, sentiment analysis. People are more connected and likely to spend more on social media platforms. It definitely adds value to an individual lives and it's connected with their emotions. AI uses these algorithms to determine the pattern to provide a better experience while maintaining awareness. The next, moderation. Due to an increase in social media engagements, active content moderation has become a key controlling any disruption. AI uses algorithms to filter and moderate such content across different social media platforms. The next application is automobiles. Artificial intelligence bringing revolutionary changes in the field of automobiles. From speedometers to self-driving car, artificial intelligence apps is really doing a significant difference in this sector. AI used to detect the traffic on the street and provide the best route of the present all routes to the driver. It uses sensor, GPS technologies and control signals to bring the vehicle to the best path. Let us see applications in automobiles. Advanced driving assistance system. Advanced driving system is an AI algorithm that's known for processing some of major and sensitive data that includes driving assistance, crash detection, parking assistance, and so on. The algorithm has been designed in such a way that it automatically starts alarming to prevent any collisions. The second, traffic management. With the help of AI system, now it has become easier to analyze traffic data for various sources including vehicles, sensors and cameras. These features help in the boosting driving assistance of offering alternate routes. This AI algorithm has been designed in such a way that it is well capable of assisting user in the real-time traffic insight and by offering the fastest route as an alternative user to save time efficiently. The next, emission reduction. This features detects and learn patterns from the given input. For example, the driving pattern of users and based on the strategies to perform efficient driving pattern by reducing emissions. This algorithm is well capable of analyzing routes, traffic, performance pattern and so on. Autonomous driving. This AI approach enables automatic driving and navigating vehicles without actual human intervention. The next application is education. Education sectors are totally organized and managed by human environment till some years back. But this day, the educational sector is also coming under the influence of artificial intelligence app. It helps the faculty as well as students by making course recommendations, analyzing some data and some decisions about the students, making automated messages to the students and parents regarding any vacations and results are done by the artificial intelligence these days. Let's see applications in education. The first, voice assistance. With the help of AI algorithm, these features can be used in multiple and broad ways to save time, provide convenience, and can assist users as when required. The next, gamification. These features has enabled the e-learning companies to design attractive game models into the system so that kids can learn in super fun way. This will not only make kids engage while learning but will also ensure that they are catching the concept and all kinds of AI for that. The next is smart content creation. AI uses algorithm to detect, predict and design content and provide valuable insights based on the users. Intents to which can include videos, audio, infographics, etc. The next application, the main one of is robotics. Artificial intelligence is one of the major technology that provide the robotics field in a boost to increase the efficiency. AI provides robot to make decisions in real time and increase productivity. For example, suppose there is a warehouse in which robots are used in manage good packages. The robots are only designed to deliver the task, but artificial intelligence makes them able to analyze the vacant space and make the best decision in real time. Let's see applications in robotics. NLP, natural language processing, plays a virtual role in robotics in interpret the command as human being instructs. This enables AI algorithms and techniques such as sentiment analysis, syntactic parsing, etc. The next, object recognitions and manipulation. This is functionality enables robots and to detect objects within the perimeter, and the techniques also help robot to understand the size and shape of the particular objects. Besides this, this technique has two units, one in identify the object and the other one refers to the physical interaction with the object. The third, HRI, with the help of AI algorithm. HRI is a full form of human robotics interaction. It's being developed to help in understanding human patterns such as gestures, expressions, etc. This technique also helps maximize the performance of robots and ensure that it reaches and maintains its accuracy. The last application is military. Artificial intelligence is also about to help defense and military in the coming days. The government is planning to use artificial intelligence for various military operational support. Let's see the application in the military. The first one, decision support. The algorithm can analyze large amount of data including sensor inputs, intelligent reports and historical information. This insight provides aid while taking effective decisions that includes stock management, resource allocations and so on without an actual human intervention. The next, cyber attack. AI plays a crucial role in detecting and responding to cyber threats in military networks. The last, training. AI uses algorithm to train the staff in different situations that can make it more or less realistic. This can help them in making the right decision at the moment and the strategies that plan effectively. Okay, what's machine learning? The machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. Machines, the ability to automatically learn from data and past experiences only. In the real world, we are surrounded by humans who can learn everything from their experience with the learning capability. And we have computers or machines which work on instructions. But can machines also learn from experience or past data like a human only? Machine learning enables a machine to automatically learn from data, improve performance from experience and predict things. Okay, see this picture. What's the instruction between human and machine? First, humans say, I can learn everything automatically from my experience. Can you learn? Yes, machines say, yes, I can also learn from my experiences, okay, in past data. Next, we see features of machine learning. It can learn from past data and improve automatically. It is a data-driven technology. Machine learning is much similar to data mining. It also deals with a large amount of data. The next, types of machine learning. Four types of machine learning include supervised machine learning, unsupervised, semi-supervised, reinforcement. The first type is supervised machine learning. Supervised machine learning is based on supervision. It means in the supervised learning technique, we train the machine using the labeled data set, and based on the training, the machine predict the output. Let's understand supervised machine learning with an example. Suppose we have an input data set of cats and dog images. So first we will provide the training to the machine to understand these images such as shape, size and cat and dogs, shape of eyes, colors, heights. After completion of training, we input the picture of cat and ask the machine to identify the object and predict the output. Now the machine will train it so it will check all the features of the object such as height, shape, color, eyes, ears and finally its cat. So it will put in the cat category. This is the process of how the machine identify the objects in supervised learning. Categories of supervised machine learning. The first type is classification. The second type is regression. The first type of classification algorithms are used to solve the classification problem. The output variable is categorized such as yes or no, male or female, red or blue, etc. This classification algorithm predicts the categories present in the data set. Some real-world examples of classification algorithms: spam detection, email filtering, etc. Some popular classification algorithms are given below: rank forest algorithm, decision tree algorithm, logistic regression algorithm, support vector machine algorithm. The second type, regression. Regression algorithms are used to solve regression problems in which there is a linear relationship between input and output variables. They are used to predict continuous output variables such as market trends, weather prediction, etc. Some popular regression algorithms: simple linear regression algorithm, decision tree algorithm, Lasso regression. The second type of unsupervised machine learning. Unsupervised learning is different from the supervised learning technique. There is no need in supervision. It means in unsupervised machine learning, the machine is trained using the unlabeled data set and the machine predicts the output without any supervision. Let's see an example of unsupervised machine learning. Suppose there is basket of fruit images and we input into the machine learning models. The images are totally unknown to the model, and the task of the machine is to find patterns and categories of objects. So now the machines will discover its patterns and differences such as color difference, shape difference, and predict the output when it's tested with the tested data set. Categorization of unsupervised machine learning. There is two types, clustering and association. The first type is clustering. The clustering technique is used to when we want to find the inherent groups from the data. It is a way to group the objects into clusters such that the objects with the most similarities remains in one group and no similarities with the objects of other groups. For example, clustering algorithm is grouping the customers by the purchasing behavior. Some popular clustering algorithms: K-means clustering algorithm, mean fit algorithm, DB-scan algorithm, principal component analysis, independent component analysis. The second type, association. Association rule learning is an unsupervised learning technique which find interesting relations among variables within large data set. The main aim of this learning algorithm is to find the dependency of one data item on another data item and map those variables accordingly that it can generate maximum profit. The algorithm is mainly applied in market basket analysis, web usage, mining, continuous production, etc. Some popular algorithms of association rule learning are a priori algorithm, FP growth algorithm. The third type, semi-supervised learning. Semi-supervised learning is a type of machine learning algorithm that lies between supervised and unsupervised machine learning. For example, supervised learning is where a student is understanding the supervision of an instructor at home and a college. Further, if the student has to self-analyzing the same concept without any help from the instructor, it comes under supervised and unsupervised learning. Under semi-supervised learning, the student has to revise himself after analyzing the same concept under the guidance of an instructor at college. The fourth type, reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning works on feedback-based process. In reinforcement learning, there is no label with data like supervision learning, and agents learn from their experiences only. The reinforcement learning process is similar to human being. For example of reinforcement learning, a child learns various things day by day life. Example of reinforcement learning is to play a game, where the game is an environment. Moves of an agent at each step defines states, and the goal of the agent is to get high score. Agent receives feedbacks, it learns to punishment and rewards. Reinforcement learning is employed in different fields such as game theory, operation, research, information theory, multi-agent system. Categorization of reinforcement learning. There are two types of reinforcement learning. The first one, positive reinforcement learning and negative reinforcement learning. The first one, positive reinforcement learning, specify increasing the tendency that the required behavior would occur again by adding something. It enhances the strength of the behavior of the agent and positively impacts it. The second type, negative reinforcement learning. Negative reinforcement learning works exactly opposite to the positive reinforcement learning. It increases the tendency that the specific behavior would occur again by avoiding the negative condition. The final conclusions now. AI continues to advance, its impact on society is poised to grow, promising increased efficiency, better decision making, and innovative solutions to some of our most present challenges. Embarrassing and responsibly harnessing its power of AI will be key to unlocking its full potential and ensuring a brighter future for all. Thank you.